Hello, I'm Fabrizio, and I will present to you a selection of 7 cool bedroom gadgets to have. All links to the gadgets are in the description below the video. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any super cool gadgets ideas. Let's dive in! A good day starts with good sleep. Meet Withings Sleep, your night buddy. Withings Sleep will monitor your sleep cycles, heart rate, and snoring or breathing disturbances. Wake to a daily sleep score to understand what makes a good night's sleep and how you can improve. Sleep is a sensor that can act as a switch to control lights, the thermostat, and more. Easy one-time setup under the mattress makes sleep fit seamlessly into your life. Wake to all data in the app via Wi-Fi and get to know your sleep. How do you feel in the morning or the rest of the day? It all comes down to a good night rest. If you feel like you can use better sleep, perhaps the first step is to take a look at your pillow. Introducing Zerema, the ultimate sleep technology to guarantee a good night rest. What about Zerema to guarantee you will be better rested? You can make height adjustments to both head and neck to create a pillow just right for you, keeping the spine line to its natural curve for optimal comfort. When the snore is detected, the pillow adjusts its height to open the airways to allow proper breathing. Zerema learns your sleep patterns, analyzes how you can sleep even better. It has even a built-in alarm that wakes you up gently for a fresh morning start. Zerema, a smart choice for your night. How it will be to illuminate your home your way. Meet Lyra by Govee, the smart corner floor lamp with a cutting-edge RGB IC technology. Enjoy multicolor displays, customizable from 60 million total colors, warm, cool whites, and 50-100 lumens of brightness. Select a moving lighting effect with just one tap and instantly transform your space for any occasion or vibe, no matter for parties, gaming, watching movies, or just relaxing. Using the Govee Home app, finger sketch your own custom color effects, plus show off this creation to the community. Spend less time fussing and more time doing what you love with hands-free voice control via Wi-Fi. Change colors and effects using Alexa, Google Assistant, and other popular voice assistants. With its 25 plus alluring lighting effects and reactive music modes, Lyra by Govee is the right lighting to make your day bright. What about an air fragrance in your bedroom? Meet Comsaf, the backflow incense burner. It is handcrafted by skilled artisans with premium ceramic through strict quality control processes, which makes it a traditional but stylish creation. With the incense cone burning, the smoke vapor gently streams down like a silent waterfall with mysteriousness, providing you with a wonderful sensory enjoyment. Comsaf Waterfall Incense Holder is widely used for aromatherapy, yoga, spa, meditation to relieve anxiety and fatigue or improve sleep quality, making it the perfect companion for your olfactory pleasantness. Get yours in the description below the video. Fresh air should always be available for you and your loved ones. Levoit Air Purifier can make that happen. 3 stages of purification, filters dust particles, absorb odors, and catch 99.97% of airborne contaminants, as small as 0.3 microns. The touch control helps you adjust the fan speed if you need extra power. The compact size makes it easy to move from room to room. Low noise volume ensure that the air purifier will not disturb you while working. The night light can be turned on when going to bed or use it as an extra light ambience. Make fresh air a day-to-day reality. Create a healthier home with Levoit. The fastest, most powerful Fire TV streaming device. From across the room, just ask Alexa to turn on the TV, dim the lights, and play your show. Control compatible soundbars and AV receiver, and change live cable or satellite channels with your voice. With a built-in speaker, ask Alexa to check the weather, turn off the lights, and more, even when your TV is off. 10 of thousands of channels, Alexa skills and apps including Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, Apple TV, HBO Max, and Peacock. built with privacy protection and controls, including a microphone off button that electronically disconnects the microphones. Fire TV Cube, the hands-free entertainment. A powerful sound that surrounds your senses. Meet Votomy, a 30 watts portable Bluetooth speaker with superb 360 HD surround sound plus true wireless stereo. The portable Bluetooth speaker transmits the sound sources with hardly any loss of sound quality, providing you an enhanced 360 Wi-Fi stereo sound experience. Your ideal wireless speaker for home parties and outdoor travels. With its IP67 waterproof, you don't need to worry about splashes, waves or rain anymore while enjoying your favorite music in the swimming pool or on the beach. The Bluetooth 5.0 in your waterproof wireless speaker provides a faster connection, lower latency, more stability and a wider wireless transmission range. Even more, the built-in Wi-Fi microphone makes it more convenient for you to control your wireless speaker directly by activating the voice assistant on your smartphone. A 30 watt speaker power, a 5200 mAh high-capacity battery and a built-in microphone makes Votomy the perfect body to surround your senses. If you have not seen this video, be sure to give it a look. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because in the future there will be a lot of cool products to check. If you like at least one of the products, show us some appreciation by giving a like and leave a comment which of the cool bedroom products you would like to add to your list. See you in the next video.